वरुणरक्षतज कुङ्कुमस्थासकैः कृतजगद्गिते कृपणजं तु चिन्तामणे तमासहचरक्षितौ रघुदुरीणयं त्यात्वया परवतत्वया वृषगिरीशतक्रीडितं जगत्तिदमदेशतत्त्वदभिनित्तमत्ताभ्यसे
कथमहमिति चेतो मास्मगाः कातरत्वं सरसिजऋषिदेवे तावती भक्तिरेका नरकविधिनिषन्ना कारयिष्यत्यवर्ष. Now he is assuring us, the poet is assuring us, Tarayishyati avashyam. He will definitely make us to a cross. He will definitely make us do the tarana. Bhava jalarim agadam dustaram distareyam. So, in the ocean of again Bhava Jaladi, in the ocean of samsara, agadam, which is so deep, dustaram, which is very difficult to swim, very difficult to cross, nistareyam, definitely I can swim. Definitely one ought to swim. Katam ahamiti cheto masmagaha katarattam. How can I do that? So don't feel yourself scared. Katarattam, don't have it covered is in you that I will not be able to swim. Definitely you can do that. How? Sarasija Krishi Deve Tavaki Bhakti Reka. Tavaki Bhakti Eka. Your only Bhakti. Bhakti alone in Sarasija Krishi Deve. Your bhakti alone in that lotus-eyed one, in that Narayana, in that Mukunda, who is Naraka, who is the killer of Naraka, the hellish visions again, Nishanna, while you are swimming, Tarayishyati, he will take you across. So your bhakti alone is enough, which will take you across on the other side. So, see, every time he is stressing on bhakti. Bhakti, bhakti, bhakti. So, what is bhakti? Again, we have to see the grace of the Lord. As I said, Navada bhakti, we are doing all right. But we should have that clinched into us, in our heart. How do I see the God? How do I feel? I should not get separated from Him at any point of time. This is what I have to enjoy. Next one. Krishna toye Madana Pavano Dutamo Gormimale Taravate Tanaya Saja Grava Sangha Kuleja Samsarakhe Mahati Jaladau Majjatam Nastridaman Padam Poje Varada Bhavato Bhaktinavam Prayacha. Give me the boat of Bhakti, Prayacha, O Lord. Krishna Toye Madana Pavano Tuto Gormimane. Samsarake Mahati Jaladau. Again, Mahati Jaladau in the great ocean of called Samsara. Akhya is Nama. Called Samsara. Majjadam. I'm being immersed again. I'm being drowned almost. How? How is that water? Krishna Toye, full of insatiable desires. Krishna, one desire, we pray to God, we do some sacrifice, we do some puja, and that gets it fulfilled. Again, the next one standing in queue. Next desire, again. We get it fulfilled, another desire. So it is an insatiable desire. And that desire, Madana Pavano Uddhuta Gormimale, that is kept up by Madana, forming into waves. Waves of delusion. Moha, urmi mare. Urmi means waves. Madam is again continuous. So, that insatiable desires, which is kicked up by lust, and that is forming into delusion. Because I am getting totally confused. I don't know where to stop and when to stop. It is causing me total confusion. One desire I fulfill, another desire, then another desire, I am in total confusion. So it is forming into a mala, into a waves of delusion and confusion. Dara varte, again, how is the confusion created? Dara avarte, avarte is a whirlpool. In that ocean, there is a whirlpool of Dara, wife. Tanaya sahaja graha sangha kule. Graha sangha akula. Akula is a collection of the crocodiles in the ocean. Who are these crocodiles? Tanaya and Sahaja. Your sons and brothers and sisters and your family. These are all the crocodiles around you. Crocodiles there in that ocean of samsara. The whirlpool. Wife is there as a whirlpool. So Majjata, I am immersed in that. Tridhaman, whose abode is there in all the three states of mind. Waking state and dream state, deep sleep state, and all the time is there. Or you can take in the three worlds, his abode. Padam Bhoje Marada, O Marada, Paramgadati, bestower of wounds. Mavada Bhaktinamam Prayacha. I am in this condition, O Lord Marada. Padam Bhoje, your lotus feet, give me the boat of bhakti so that I can cross and go to the other side. Next. Madraksham Chira Punyan Chanamapi Bhavato Bhaktinan Padache Mashrausham Shravyavandam Tava Charitamapasya Yanyadakyana Jatam Masparsham Madhava Tvamapi Bhuvanapade Chetasaphanuvanan Mabhuvam Tvatsavarya Yadigarayi So on my side, O Krishna, what I ought not to do? What should I not to do? Madraksham Chira Punyan Chanamapi Bhavataha Bhakti-hinan Padabje. Padabje, in your lotus feet, those persons who have no bhakti, Bhakti-hinan, who are devoid of bhakti, Chena Punyan, who are depleted in their merits, whose punya, there is a chena of the punya, Chanamapi, Madraksham. I will not look at them people, who talk ill of you, who don't have bhakti for you. I will not look at them. On my side, this is what I am going to do. Ma Shravsham Shravya Bandham, Tava Charitam Apasya, Anyat Akhyana Jatam. Leaving aside all the adventures and stories and heroic deeds of yours, I don't want to listen to anything else. I don't want to put my beautiful sense organ of the ears, Shravana Shakti, to anything else rubbish other than hearing all the tributes and all the adventures of you. Masmarsham Madhava Tvam Api O Bhuvanapade Chetasa Apagnuvanan. I will not remember anybody else other than you, people who are despising you. Mahabhuvam Tvatsaparya Yatikara Rahita Janma Janmantari. I will keep on worshipping you in all the janmas, in all the births which I have to take place. Next. Kirtaya Keshavam Muraripum Cheto Bhaja Sridharam पाणि द्वन्द्व समर्चयाच्युतकथा श्रोत्रद्वयत्वं शृणु कृष्णं लोकयलोचनद्वय हरे गच्छाङ्घ्रियुग्मालयम् जिघ्रघ्राणमुकुन्द पादतुलसीं मूर्धन्यमाधोक्षजम्. How am I going to put my sense organs into use? What do my sense organs? What should my sense organs do, or what do they want to do? Oh Jivve, Jivve, Tam, Kirtana Keshavam. Sing all the Kirtanas of Keshava, all his attributes, all his praises. Cheta, Murarikum, Bhaja, oh Cheta, oh mind, Murarikum, Mura, Ari, Murari, again Krishna, Bhaja, worship Krishna, Pani Dvandva, Samarchaya, Sridharam. Oh Pani Dvandva, my two hands, do Archana, Archaya, Sridharam, do Archana to Sridhara. Shrotra Dvaya, Tvam Shunu, Achyutakataha. Oh Shrotra Dvaya, in both the ears, only listen to the stories of the immutable, Achyuta, Achyutakataha. And then Krishna, Lokaya, Lochana Dvaya. Oh my, both the eyes keep on looking at Krishna. How do I look at Krishna? How do we look at Krishna? All the time. So I see Krishna as an antaryami in each and every creature that I look. I see Krishna in you, in you, in you, in you, in you, in you, everywhere. This is how I see Krishna. I don't see your akar, I don't see your vasanas. I see Krishna in you, who is antaryami in us. So that way I look at Krishna. Unity in diversity. Krishna lokaya lochana dvaya hare gacchangri yugmalayam angri dvaya gaccha alayam gaccha. Oh, both the legs, please go to it. The temples of Krishna, alaya of Krishna. Chigra grana mukunda pada tulasi. Oh my nose, the sense organ to smell. Please just smell the pada tulasi, smell the tulasi which is there at the feet of Mukunda. Murdhan nama adhokshajam. Oh my head, oh my shiras. Nama, this worship, fall at the feet of Adhokshaja, Krishna. So this is what he is addressing all his sense organs to do. So he becomes a master. He becomes the master, he instructs the sense organs to do as he wants to. That is why the intellect, which is kept at the top of our personality, intellect is the boss, and the intellect has to instruct all our organs to do as the intellect wants to do. That is why the intellect is placed at the feet in the form of bhakti, so that the sense organs will behave as the intellect wants you to behave. Next one. He loka shrunada prasudi maranamyade chikitsa vima yogakya samudaharanti munayo yajnavalkyadayah antarjyotirabeyamekam Krishna kyamamiyatam tatvidam paramaushadam vidarute nirvanamadyantikam. Here the Lord is the only medicine. Ye lokaha shrudha prasuti marana yade chikitsa imam. Oh world, oh people, here, listen to this. What? Prasuti, birth, marana, death, yade. The disease, the ailments between the birth and the death, for such ailment, imam chikitsa, this is only treatment. This is only treatment, Lord Krishna. Yogajnaha samudaharanti munayaha yam yajnavalkyadayah. So this medicine has been already made a mention of, has already been spoken about by Yogajnaha, the knowers of yoga, Munayaha, many ascetics, many sages, including Yajnavalkya, Adaya, etc. have already made a mention spoken heavily on this. Hence, what should I do now? What is the medicine? Antarjyotir ameya ameyam ekam amritam krishnakhyam apiyata. That medicine has to be drunk, apiyata, called Krishna, Krishna akhyam. That medicine called Krishna, aushadha called Krishna, let that be drunk. So then what happens? Where is he? Antarjyoti. He is there inside as an illuminator within you. He will give you the illumination. He will open up the sense of intellect. He will give you the knowledge to think and go for bhakti to him. Ameyam. Ameyam is immeasurable. Ekam amritam. He is the only nectar. Who is there? So let that Krishna be drunk. Tat pidam. Once you drink that, paramaushadam. It's a very supreme type of aushadha. Vidante nirvana atyantikam. When taken even in little proportion, nirvana atyantikam. You will get into liberation. You will be free. You will be relieved of all the troubles. Next one. Matyaha paramam kitam shruta govajya visanchepata samsara arnavamavadurmi bahulam samyak pravishya sthita nana jnanamapasya chetasi namo narayanayetyamu mantram sapranavam pranamasayitam ramantayatvam. Can do japa of Narayana? He Matyaha, O mortals, paramam hitam shrunuta, O vachyami, vaha vachyami sanshepataha. So, the saint is telling us, vachyami sanshepataha, I am telling you in a nutshell, the short form, the sanshepa form, paramam hitam, that which will do you supreme good. Samsara arnava apadurmi bakulam samyak pravishya sthitaha. Again, the ocean of samsara, samyak pravishya sthitaha. You people have got caught up in the, having entered the arnava. Arnava means ocean. Apadurmi, apadurmi bahulam. There are a lot of waves of troubles, apad troubles. So you people have got immersed into the samsara, ocean of samsara, which is full of troubles. Nana jnana mapasya. All the various types of terrestrial knowledge which we are getting into. This course, this, all that. You know, apasya. Just give up all this for the time being. I'm not telling you what to give up. I'm talking about bhakti. Apasya chetasi namaha narayana narayana iti amum. Just now, narayana iti chetasi namaha. So just give up for the time being. Don't think about anything else in your mind. All of the types of knowledge, gross knowledge, terrestrial knowledge. For the time being, give up all that. Just think about the Narayana and do japa. Mantram Narayanam iti mantram sapranavam. Sapranavam means along with Om, this mantra has to be chanted. Ashtakshara mantra. That's what he's referring to. Om Namo Narayanaya. Pranama Sahitam, along with Namaskara. Pravartayatvam. Again and again. That is again and again and that. Do japa of Ashtakshara mantra. For the time being, give up everything else. Do japa of Om Namo Narayanaya. That will relieve you from all the tension of samsara. Next one. Prithvirenu ranuhu vayamsi ganika Puspulingo analaha Tejo nishwasanam maruttanukaram Randram susukshmam navakar Chudra rudra pitamaha Pravridaya kita samasta sura Drishte Krishna, my Mukunda. You are so great. There's no end to it. There's no limit to it. How is compared is in your presence, in front of you, the Prithvi looks like Renu Ranuhu, Anuhu Renuhu, like an atom of dust. In front of you, you are so great. In front of you, the whole earth to me looks like an atom of dust. Payamsi Kadikaha, the ocean of water looks like Kadikaha drops. Falguspulingo Analaha, the luster of fire looks like sparks. Whole fire, Agni looks like sparks. This is sparks. Teja Nishwasanam. Nishwasanam Marut. Marut, wind looks like just breath. What we are taking in. Tanudaram, Randram, Susukshmam Navaha. Randram means whole. Akasha. Nava is Akasha. So the whole Akasha looks like just a small hole. And Chudra Rudra Pita Maha Pravritaya Kita Samasta Suraha. Rudra Pitamaha is Brahma. Pravritaya, all these people, great people, Suraha, gods, all of them look like Kita Samasta Suraha. Kita Samasta. They look like small worms, Chudra. They look like very small worms in front of you. You are so great. Oh Mukunda, Narayana. Krishna Yatrasa Tavako Vijayate. When I look at you, when I think of you, of your greatness, all these other things look so tiny. Next one. Vadena Anjalina Nanena Shirasa Gatraihi Sarumodamaihi Kantena Swaragatena Nayane Mena Ukirna Bashpamuna Nityavacharana Vidyayugada Dhyana Amrita Swaminam Asmadam Sarasiruvakshar Satatam Sampadyata Jeevitam. So having remembered you, Sampadyam Jeevitam, my life has become enriched now. Vadena Anjalina. So I have just had my hands joined. Nadena Shirasa. My head is bowed down. Gatraihi Saromodgamaihi. All my limbs are shivering in my bhakti to you. Kantena Swaragadgadena. My throat is shivering. It's all choked up with my bhakti. Nayanena Udkirna Bashpam Muna. Nayanena Bashpa Ambuna. Bashpa means tears. Ambuna. Again tears, just like, they're just flowing out. Just like waterfalls. Udkirna. They're all flowing out. Nityam Tvacharana Vinda Yugada Jnanamrita Swadina. So when I remember you, due to my daily remembering you and having bhakti in you, this is what is the effect I have experienced. Asmakam Sarasirvaksha Satatam. Oh Sarasirvaksha, lotus eyed one. Satatam Sampadyadam Jeevitam. Let our lives be enriched with your such bhakti. Gopalaka. Protect me. Param janami natvam vina. I don't know anybody else superior except in you. I am at your feet. You have already given Sharan to Gajendra. You have protected Draupadi. All these I am aware of. Oh Krishna, no, protect me also. I have come at your feet. I don't have anybody else. I don't know anybody else. I don't know any other doorstep to go to. I have come to you. Next one. I'll take it in short and another 20 to go. Take it now. Vartavaya bhujanga garulamani Trailokya rakshamani Gopi lojana janadamudamani Saundarya mudramani Yakantamani rupini Kadakuja dvandvaika bhushamani Shreyo deva shikhamani Vishadvano Gopala Chudamani He is a perfect gem. He is a perfect amulet. Amulet, the money which they are wearing. So he is the perfect gem. There is nothing much to explain in this here. I will just skip through fast. Only those which are very important to explain, I will take. He is the Kanta Mani. He is the Bhakta Bhai Bhujanga Garuda Mani. This he is the perfect gem. You know, which we can wear always in the name of his japa. Next one. Shatruchedaikamatram Sakalam Upanishad Vakya Sambhujya Matram Samsarotara Matram Samubhajitadama Sangha Niryana Matram Sarveshwaryaika Matram Vyasana Bhujaga Santashta Santrana Matram Jivve Shri Krishna Matram Japa Japa Sadalam Japa Sakarya Matram. This is the only mantra. Manatrayate, Manasahatrayate, iti mantra. The one which protects your mind. Mantra. This is the only mantra. Shatru Cheda Ekameva Mantram. The one which will kill your enemies in the form of evils, in the form of negatives within us. I don't want to have an external enemy like Hiranyakashipu or anybody else, enemy standing right in front of me, or a traitor or a terrorist. No, I'm talking about the enemies within me. So the mantra is the only chant. Mantra is the only thing which can destroy the enemies within me, the form of evils and negatives within me. Sakala Upanishad Vakya Sambhujya Mantram, that which is being worshipped and said high and dealt with, highly worshipped in all Upanishad Vakyas. Samsarottara Mantram, which will elevate you into samsara. Samupachitadama Sangha Niryana Mantram. Tamas Sangha Niryana. There is a part of tamas, all ignorance, ajnana, darkness. Samupachita, it will get you out of this bag of darkness. Niryana Mantra, this mantra. Sarva Aishwarya Eka Mantram. Aishwarya is overlordship. You want to have control over everything. This is the only mantra which will give you material prosperity as well as spiritual peace. Sarva Aishwarya Eka Mantram. Yasana Bhujaga Sandashta Santrana Mantram. Santrana, that will protect you. Sandashta, protect you from being bitten by Bhujaga, serpent. What is a serpent? The form of difficulties. Yes or no? So this mantra will protect you, Trana, because you are being bitten by the serpent of difficulties and obstacles. This mantra will protect you. Jilve, in your tongue, Shri Krishna Mantram Japa Japa. All the time keep on chanting Shri Krishna Mantram. Satata, always, because Janma Safalya Mantram. This is what is going to fulfill the purpose of the very purpose of my life. Next one. Yamoha prashamaushadam muni manuvritti pravutyaushadam daityendradvikataushadam trijagata sanjeevanaitkaushadam bhakta Aushadha, a divine Aushadha of Shri Krishna. Why? Because Vyamoha Prashama Aushadam. How is it Aushadha? Vyamoha Prashama. It will appease, it will satisfy, it will bring into peace all the delusion. Muni Manovritti Pravritya Aushadam. This Aushadha has been the guiding factor even to the great ascetics to guide their path of thought. Muni Manovritti Pravritti Aushadam. Daityendratika Aushadam. Daitya Indra, the lord of demons. Daitya Indra Artika Aushadam, the one which will cause trouble to the lord of Indra, the lord of Daitya demons. That means your Asura, Hiranyakashipu, etc. This is the Shri Krishna is the only mantra which will even terrorize the demons. Trijagatam Sanjeevani Sanjeevani Aushadam. In all the three worlds, this is Sanjeevani mantra, Sanjeevani Aushadha, which will reactivate you, regenerate you whenever you are feeling tired, whenever you are in the low, mentally, physically. Just chant this mantra, you get up, again start doing your activities. Bhaktya Tyanta Hita Aushadam. Bhakta Atyanta Hita Aushadam. The one which does good to Bhakta. Atyanta Hita. Too much good to the Bhaktas. Bhava Bhaya Pradvamsana Aushadam. Bhava Bhaya Pradvamsana. It will do Pradvamsa, it will destroy Bhaya, the fear of samsara again. As I explained to you earlier, Shreya Praptikar Aushadam. It will reach you to Shreyas, not prayers. It will reach you to the higher status of spirituality. Vivamana, hence, O mind, please drink the Aushadam of Shri Krishna. Next one. Annamya Bhyasanani Aranyanuditam Vedavradanyantaham Vedacheda Balani Purta Vidaya Sarve Udam Basmani Tirthanam Avagahanani Cha Gajasnanam Vina Yadvadat Vadvam Purva Samskriti Vijayate Devasanayana. Oh Narayana, anything done without remembering you is a big zero. Amnaya Abhyasanani. Doing all Abhyasa or Amnaya, doing Abhyasa of the scriptures is equivalent to Aranya Vitam, if you loudly cry in the forest. Veda Vratani Anvaham, if you follow all the daily vows which are being prescribed and described in the Vedas, they are like Veda Chedavalani, just like curtailing your fat in your body. If you are going to do upvas on a particular day, Ekadashi upvas, just because it is prescribed in my scriptures, without really having any bhakti bhava in you for Narayana, that will only reduce your fat in your body. Purta Vidaya Sarve Udam Basmani. All your Purta Vidaya means your activities of constructing temples and ponds and wells and doing dana and all these things without having bhakti for it. If you do all these, are equivalent to performing sacrifices on ashes. Udam Basmani. Can you do sacrifices on the ashes? On the fire which has been already blown off. You can't do it. It's not for sacrifice. So it is equivalent to that. Tirthana Avagahanani Cha Gajasnanam. All you are taking, Tirtha Yatra, is equivalent to the elephants having a dip in the water. Vina Yat Padat Bandvam Boruva Samskriti. Vina. But then, also very important, without. If you do all these, but without, Dvandvam Goruva Samskriti. Goruva Samskriti, without thinking of the Lord, all these are waste, big zero. Devasya Narayana, Vijayate, Vijayate, Next one. श्रीमन्नाम प्रोच्य नारायणाख्यं केन प्रापुर्वाञ्छितं पापिनोऽपि हानपूर्वं वा प्रवृत्ता न तस्मिन् तेन प्रहृतं गर्भवसादिरुक्तम् श्रीमन्नाम प्रोच्य नारायण आख्यम् having uttered Sriman Nama, the name of Narayana, Akhya, the name of Narayana, chant of Narayana, Kena Prapu Vanchita Papina Api. Even the sinners, Vanchitam, who have Papu Vanchitam, have attained their desires. Even the sinners have attained all their desires by chanting the Lord's name. Ha, oh alas, now Purvam Vak Pravritta. I did not utter it earlier, I did not know all this. Had I known that, I would have uttered earlier itself. Even in my earlier janmas, I would have uttered. Since I did not utter, perhaps, Nadasmin Tena Praptam Garbhavasa Adi Durkam. Garbhavasa Adi Durkam that I have to undergo because I did not chant your name, oh Lord. Had I known that, I would have done that earlier. Had I done that, I would not have taken birth, I would not have again fallen into the ocean of samsara, and I would not have undergone the troubles of Garbhavasa Adi Durkam. Come, next one. Manjanmanaha phalamidam madhukaitavare madprarthaniya madanugraha yesha eva vritya vritya paricharaka vritya vritya vrityasya vritya idimam smaralokanatha. How meek he is, how humble he is. Majjanmanaha phalamidam madhukaitavare. Oh, who has been a burden to Madhu and Kaitava, Are, who has been an enemy of Madhu and Kaitava, Mad Prarthaniyam. I have only one thing again to appeal to you. Mad Anugraha, Esha Eva. For which you have to grant that Anugraha, you have to do that grace upon me. The one which is to be prayed by you, ought to be prayed by me, is that which has to be granted by you. Majjanmanaha phalam, which I will think has brought fruition to my life, to this birth of mine. If you grant this anugraha to me, what is that? Tvat vritya vritya paricharaka vritya vritya vrityasya vritya vidi mam smara. I don't want to become your immediate PA. I want to become the servant of your servant's servant, his servant's servant. I am on the 7th step. Your servant's servant, his servant's servant's servant, his servant. I am on the 7th step. Even there on the 7th step, as a servant, as a Britya, if you give me place there, I will be happy. I think I would have achieved the phala of my having been born in this life. Even that, if you can grant me that, oh Lord, beautifully is displayed. It's such a great poet, Alvar, and when he has sung like this, we think, we are just immediately near God. God is with me, and God myself. Yes, humble. Vritti mam smara. And if you do that, I will be happy. Oh, next one. Nathena purushottame trijagatam ekadhipe chetasa sevye swasya vadasya tatari sure narayane tishthati Madhipe Chetasa Sevye Swasya. If only I have to remember you, oh Lord, you have got everything to give it to me. Sevye, had I served you, had I become your Bhakta, Swasya Padasya Datari Sure, you would have given me the post of a God. You would have given me your own Pada. You would have given me your own Vaikuntha. You would have given me your own Vishnu Pada. Narayane Tishtati, where he sits. Oh Nade, Naha Purushottame, our Purushottama, Dijagatam Ekadite. In that, Lord of the three worlds, had I remembered you, you would have given me everything yourself had I remembered you. But I go to all these tiny petty fellows, Yam Kanchit Purusha Adamam, Katipaya, Grama Isha, to some lord of some grama, I go to them. Alpa Arthadam, one who will give me only Alpa Artha. To all those petty fellows, I am going seeking this, that. Why should I run after all these petty fellows? Yam Kanchit Purusha Adamam. Some Adama, some Purusha, somebody is saying I am running here and there. Why should I go here and there? When you are there, when I come to you, you will give me even Vishnupada. You will give me even Vaikuntha. I did not realize that. Whereas I am running around like a mad dog. Sevayai Mrigayamahe. I am running around. Naram. Aho, Muka, Varaka. We are all Muka. We are all Varaka. We are all petty fellows. We are Buddha. We are fools. Instead of coming to you, I am going around to so many petty fellows and seeking all small petty fellows. Why should I go? When you are there to grant me everything. Madana Pariharasthitim Mariye Manasi Mukunda Padara Virnadani Haranayana Krishanuna Krishosi Smarasina Chakra Parakramam Murade. Oh Madana, oh Cupid, oh lust, can take anyway. Pariharasthitim, just get off from here. Maniye Manasi, just get off from my mind. Beware. Mukunda Padara Vinda Dhamni. Just get off from here. Because I am seeking the lotus feet of the Lord. Don't you remember, oh Madana, that you were once upon a time burnt off by Shiva? Haranayana, by Hara, you were burnt off once upon a time. And you had Krisha Anuna. You had become lean. You had thinned down. You had got yourself famished. Krisha Asi was still thin with that. Don't you remember that? Smarasina Chakra Parakrama Murare. Don't you know the capacity, the power of my Murare's chakra? Please don't ever come to me. I'm there looking to the Lord. So this is addressing himself to make him more powerful. Next one. Tattvam Ruvanari Param Parasmate Madhucharantiva Sadam Palani Pravartaya Pranjalirasmi Jive Namani Narayana Gocharani. Narayana Gocharani, chanting of the Lord's names, of Narayana's names. Tattvam Bruvanani, by uttering those names. Param Parasmat, Parasmat Param, Supreme Most of the Supreme. Madhucharanti Iva, uttering of Narayana's name. Well, there, nectar flows. Sadam Phalani, it brings good fruits, the good people, Sadam Phalani. Pravartaya, oh my, oh Jive, oh tongue, keep on repeating his name. Pranjali Asmi, I join my hands. I put Anjali to you, oh Jive. Please keep on chanting my Lord's name because it does good to me. Next one. Being a bit quick. Idam Shariram Parinama Peshalam Padatyavashyam Shraddhasandhi Jaljalam Imaushadaihi Yashyasi Mudhadunmane Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam Idam Shariram Parinama Pesharam. This Sharira is definitely going to deteriorate one day. Patati avashyam, definitely it's going to fall. Shrata sandhi jarjaram, jarjaram, old, in old age. Shrata sandhi, it is going to get worn off. So warp and bend, the cloth gets worn out after a while. The same way, you must be knowing the 6 stages of any creation. Jayate, asti, vardate, parinamate, apakshiyate, and vinashriti. Anything that takes birth is created. Jayate, asti, it exists. Vardate, it increases. Parinamate, there is a transformation taking place, changes taking place. Apakshiyate, it starts decaying. Vinashriti, it destroys, get destroyed. These are 6 stages of any creation. So, Iram Shariram definitely is going to get destroyed one day due to the old age. It's getting worn out. Kim Aushadaihi Krishyasi, why are you going after all these medicines? Why are you torturing yourself with all these medicines? Oh, Muda Drupade, Niramayam Krishna Rasayanam, just drink the chant of mantra of Krishna, Krishna Rasayanam, Niramayam, which will keep you free from diseases. Amayam is diseases, disease. Niramaya, without diseases, which will keep you free of diseases. Keep on chanting the Lord's name. Why do you run after all these things? Next one. Karavara Karavada Sudha Ekalujo Virilji Stota Vedastava Suragano Pratyamarga Prasadaha Muktirmaya Jagadavikalam Tavaki Devaki Te Manamitram Malari Pusutasvayato Oh Lord, I do not know anything else other than these. God, what are they? Tara, Vara, Karavara, Sudha. You are the wife, you are the wife, you are the husband of Lakshmi. Your wife is Lakshmi. Tara, Vara, Karavara, Sudha. Te Tanuja Virinchihi. Your son is Virinchi. Virinchi is Brahma. Your son is Brahma. Your wife is Lakshmi. Stota Vedaha. Keep on Vedas praise you. Suraganaha Vrityavargaha. All your servants, all your devotees are your host of gods. Muktir Maya. Prasadaha Mukti Maya Jagat. So your Maya is Prasadaha Mukti. You can give us the grace, you have got the grace. What grace? To give us mukti. I know that you can give me mukti. Jagat, Maya. Your Maya is Jagat. Abhikalam, which is one. The whole thing is one Jagat. Tavaki, Devaki. Your mother is Devaki. Mata. Mitram, Balaripu. Balaripu is Balaripu Sutta. Balaripu is Indra. Indra Sutta is Arjuna. Your friend is Arjuna. Mitram, Balaripu, Sutta. Sutta is son. Balaripu is Indra. Balakaripu. Enemy of Bala is Indra. So the son of Indra is Arjuna. He is your friend. Tvayi, Ataha, Anyat, Najane. I don't know anything else about you. Oh Krishna, this is all I know about you. So I just want you to come. Next. Krishnam namasyamyaham Krishne namarashatravo Nidilata Krishnaya tuvyam namaha Krishna deva samutthidam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham Krishne tishtati Sarvamedadakilam He Krishna Samrakshasva Krishna, Rakshatu no. Please protect us, O Krishna. Jagatraya Guru. O Jagatraya Guru Krishna, please protect us. Krishnam Namasyami. Dad Krishna, I will tell you the beauty of this sloka. It is just simple, but I will tell you at the end what is the beauty in this sloka. Namasyami Aham. I worship that Krishna. Krishnena Amarashatravah viniyataha. Viniyataha means kill. Amarashatravah, the enemies of gods. Krishnena, by him, the enemies of gods have been killed. That means the demons have been killed by the Krishna. Krishnaya, that Krishna, Tubhyam Namaha. I worship, I pray to you, that Krishna. Krishna eva samudkitam jagat idam. This jagat has been created, has come up only from Krishna. You are the source of the jagat. Krishnasya dasosmi dasaha asti aham. I am your dasa. Krishna tishtati sarvam etat akhilam. The whole akhila is resting on Krishna, who is a substratum, as I said earlier. Hey Krishna, rakshasuna, protect me. This is simple meaning. But the beauty is, in Sanskrit, we have bhakti, vibhakti, 8 cases. Okay, 8 cases in Sanskrit. So, this bhakti, he has rendered in the vibhakti style. We have the nominative, we have the accusative, we have the instrumental, we have the dative, we have the oblative, we have the genitive, we have the locative, we have the vocative. Now, Krishna rakshatu naha. Krishna is a nominative. Jagattraya. We have to appreciate why the purpose of my saying is how the poet is so subtle in bringing in even grammar in this. See how much of grammar he has exhibited here, which we have to appreciate. This is how our Rishiran will go. Krishna rakshatu naha. Jagattraya Guru. That Jagattraya Krishna rakshatu, let him protect us. Krishnam, it comes in the object accusative case. Krishnam namasyami. The instrumental is tena. By whom has this that been done? Krishnena Amarashatravaha Viniyataya Niyataha. Then dative Krishnaya Namaha, Narayanaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha, Ganeshaya Namaha, Krishnaya Nityam Namaha. Dative case. Then we have the ablative from so and so. Krishna eva samudkitam jagadidam. From Krishna the entire universe is formed up. Genitive, his. This is the case of possession. Krishnasya mama tasya asya. Krishnasya dasaha aham asmi. Then you have locative. Krishne, in, about, on. Krishne tishtati sarvam etat akhilam. Then locative. Then vocative. Oh Krishna Rakshasana. Beautifully he has done. Best is locative. Huh? You have to appreciate every bit of this. Next one. Prasid Bhagavan Gurumayanate Vishnu Kripa Paramakarunika Kilatvam Samsara Sagara Nimadnamanada Dinam Mudar Kumarhasi Ane Purushottam. Again, please fill in the across. Tattvam Prasida Bhagavan Guru Mayanate. Guru Mayi Anate. I am an anatha. I am an orphan. I am poor. I don't have anybody else to help me. Tattvam Prasida. Oh Bhagavan, please have grace on me. Please have anugraha. Oh Bhagavan. Guru Mayi Anate. Vishnu. Oh Vishnu. Kripa. You are full of kripa. Paramakarunika. You are full of mercy. You are supreme in your mercy. Kilatvam, indeed so. Samsara sagar nimagnam. Ananta. Oh Ananta. I am being immersed into the samsara sagara. I am a poor fellow. Deenam. Uddhartu marhasi. Hence you deserve to lift me up. Uddhartu marhasi. You are fit to lift me up because you are so great in your mercy. You got such capacity. So you can lift me up. Please lift me up. Lift me up. Hare Purushottam. Because you are a Purushottama. You are Uttama Purushottam. Next one. Namami Narayana Pada Pankajam Karumi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvam Avyayam. So let me keep on worshipping you. Namami Narayanam Pada Pankajam. I want to all the time worship you, O Narayana, Pada Pankajam. You notice me, is all concluding things now. Karomi Narayana Pujanam. I all the time do pujan of you. Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmala. Your pure name, Nirmala Nama. All the time I want Vaktum samartha api na bhakti. People are not chanting. Na bhakti. Samartha api. Though they are capable of chanting, what does it take for us to chant? It's just a question of remembering. As I said, it's just a question of attitudinal change. We just have to make a change in our heart, in our buddhi. That is all what we need to do. It doesn't have to exert. We don't have to exert. We don't have to spend money. We don't have to do anything else. Even that we don't do. Na bhakti kaschit. Aho janana yasanahi mukhyam. They are getting into difficulties, still they don't do that. How do they chant? Srinatha, Narayana, Vasudeva, Shri Krishna, Bhakta Priya, Chakrapani, Shri Padmanabha, Achyuta, Kaidabhari, Shri Rama, Padmaksha, Hare Murare, Ananta, Vaikuntha, Mukunda, Krishna, Govinda, Damodara, Madhava, Iti. So many names are there. Vaktum api, Vaktum samartha. We are capable of chanting. Why don't we do that? Because our buddhi is not innate. That is why we are seeking the grace. Initially, all the time, I think about 12 or 13 slokas, he has been seeking his grace to make my mind remember you, to make my intellect remember you. Now, in the balance remaining slokas, he is giving instructions to us. He is giving advice to us. Next one. Jayanti Vishnumanandamauvyayam Kritpadmamadhye Satatam Vyavastitam Samahidanam Satatavayapradam Deyanti Siddhim Paramancha Vaishnavi. So Jayanti Ye Vishnu Anantam Avyayam. Those who remember that Lord Anantam Avyayam Jayanti Kritpadma Madhya in their heart of the lotus heart. Sadatam Vyavastitam. One who remembers Vyavastitam Samahidanam Satata Abhayapradam. He is there to give us Abhaya. Deyanti Siddhim Paramancha Vaishnavi. All of them will go to Vishnupada. All of them will get to Vishnu. Vaishnavi, Vishnupada. Kshiravasara Taranga Shikarasara Tarakita Chatumutaye Yogi Moda Shayaniya Shayine Madhavaya Madhuvitrishe Namaha. So he is there remaining in the Milky Ocean. Kshiravasara Taranga Shikarasara Tarakita Charumurtaye Mogi Bhoga Shayani Shayine Madhavaya Madhuvitrishe Namaha. The one who is remaining in the Milky Ocean. Last one. Yasya priyau shrutidharau kavilokaviro minte vijanmavara parashavabhuta tenambujaksha charanambuja shatpadena ragyakrita vidiyam purashekarena. Composed by Ragyakrita. Purashekara, who was the Raja. You have got a reference here. You say, which Purashekara, I do not know. I think there's a reference here. Ragyakrita, so you can also refer. Ragyakrita, that it has been done by that king, that Ragya, that Raja Purashekara, King Purashekara. Then Ambujaksha Charanambuja. Again there's a reference. Mitre Dvijanma Vara. Parashava Babhutam. I could not get the reference. I think you can check up this. So this will also give you a reference to which Purashekara it is. Kaviloka Virao, Mitra, Uvana Mitra, Dvijanmavara, Parashava. This is the reference you can check with us. So here we end Purashekara. Hopefully I think we enjoy. I will just like to chant one small Narayana Japa, and then after that, a small prayer, and then we'll end. Just take 2 minutes. Once I sing the first line, you all can sing with me.